Remember to wash your hands and all produce before preparing food.
1 can about 2 cups veggie or chicken broth, 2 cups diced potatoes, 1 cup chopped celery, 1/2 cup chopped carrots, 1/2 cup chopped onion. Bring to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes. 1 can about 2 cups cream-style corn, 2 cups cooked chicken, 1 cup low-fat milk, pepper to taste. Heat but do not boil again. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.